Introducing Football University Video Training. What's it take? Talent, commitment, technique, experience, and Football University Video Training. Introducing the training series designed from top to bottom to help you become a complete player. Over 100 years of coaching experience, 11 pro coaches, 7 NFL players, tested and proven FBU training standards, all created to make you a better player. Over 15 hours of pro-level instruction from current and former NFL position coaches. 7 position-specific classes. Elite instruction, pro-level coaching, specific techniques and drills taught to the pros are now available to you too. All graphically enhanced to provide you the most complete instruction available. Quarterback, wide receiver, defensive back, linebacker, O-line, D-line, and coming soon, running back. Included with your purchase is online access, so you can take your training wherever you go. Complete the class, take the exam, and you'll get your FBU Certificate of Completion. Become the complete player. From the producers of the U.S. Army All-American Bowl and powered by SOTL Training.